So Simpson one-third rule we are considering here, the last problem, which is the third problem. So here is the given question, the same question we have considered, the same interval. So the table will remain same, only thing is that formula will change for different methods since the interval is same. So in one-third we have already discussed that the interval should be the two multiples 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, like that, so on. Any 2's multiple should be there. So interval, it is already given in the question, n is equal to 6. That means we have to consider that one only. Okay, so formula wise we already discussed the h by 3. You remember that one third means 1 by 3 into h, you remember, and first term, last term, plus 2 times of multiples of 2. 2 into multiples of 2 terms you have to consider, y2, y4, y6, so on, plus 4 into the rest all terms, whatever the rest all terms is there, that you have to include here. Okay. So while comparing, we will get to know that it is from a to b y dx. That means y is nothing but the function of x, which is given as log base 10x. Okay. And what is a value and b value? A value and b value, upper limit, lower limit. So a is nothing but 2, b is nothing but 6. So we have to find h value. H is equal to b minus a by n. H is nothing but the width. Okay. So b is nothing but the upper limit, 6 minus lower limit by n is 6. So you will be getting 4 by 6. 4 by 6 is nothing but 2 by 3. It's equal to 0.666, so on. Okay, so this you have to consider. So we'll forming the table. So how to form the table? We have to first take x, then y is equal to f of x base 10. That is nothing but f of x. Starting with the 2, we have to go till which one? 6, right? Because the question was 2 to 6 y dx, or we can say from 2 to 6 log base 10x dx. So 2 to 6 we have to go, lower limit to upper limit we have to go, but we have to, how we have to go? We have to take this step of what? Width is nothing but h value. H value is 0.66666, or we can say h value is 2 by 3, right? So starting with the 2, I'll add 2 by 3 or 0.666 to get the next value. Then next value I'll add 2 by 3 or 0.666. Again I'll get next value plus, like that, like that, like that. If you keep on adding, you'll arrive at what? This value. Okay, 6. After arriving at 6, what you have to do? You have to form this second column. Second column is basically based on the x, corresponding x value. If you substitute here, you will be getting the value for this thing. So log base 10 2 for 2 value, then log base 8 by 3 or 2.66, you will get this value. The first value is denoted by y0 or y0, which we have seen in the formula also. y1, y2, y3 corresponding values we will find out. The last term is nothing but y6, okay, which is corresponding to x equal to 6. In the given question, so I value we have to find. I value is equal to h by 3 into y0 plus yn. Yn is nothing but what? Y6 we have to consider, which is the last term in the table you can see, into 2 times of the two multiples. Two multiples in the sense we had the form, we had y1, y0, y1, y2, y3, 4, 5 and 6, right? So in this you can see that y0 and y6 we have already taken. The remaining terms is nothing but this one, y1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In that, multiples of 2 is nothing but 2, 4. We cannot take 6 because it is already there. Here you can see 6 is there. So in 2's multiple, I can take only y2 and y4, right? So I'll take y2 plus y4 plus 4 times of remaining terms. y1, y2 is already there, so y3, y4 is already there, so y5, y6 I cannot take because it's already there. This is the final thing. Now you have to just keep on substituting. So h is nothing but 0.66666 or 2 by 3 you can take. So we are getting the I value as 2.32957, but the actual or the exact value using the calculator is equal to 2.32966. So we can see that is exactly equal, or we can say slight difference will be there, slight error will be there using these methods.